Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute rooster house. So I'm going to take this chalkboard house that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the edges and the inside edges with an antique white paint. And I even went a little into the chalkboard so that when I put my scrapbook paper down, you won't see any of the black edges if I happen to make a miscut. Once I have that all painted, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and add that to the center. And then I am going to put the scrapbook paper down that I chose for this project. I got this scrapbook paper at a thrift store in a pack, so you may not be able to find the exact one that I have, but you can use any that is similar or one that you like. And I think this scrapbook paper is just so cute. Once I have the scrap paper in there, I'm going to take some of the brown antique wax. I'm going to run that around the edges of the house and along the sides. Now that that is all aged and antiqued, I'm going to take this rooster and fence. The rooster I got at Walmart. It's been quite a few years since I got it, so probably a couple of years. I'm not sure if they still sell them or not. But I'm going to hot glue him into the house. As you can see, I left a little space at the bottom, so he's kind of up higher in the house. Next, I'm going to run some glue around the bottom and add my little fence. This fence came from, I believe it was Hobby Lobby. They sell it at Hobby Lobby, and I've seen it at Joann's also. Make sure that if you buy it at Joann's, though, that you're using a coupon. Next, I added a little bow that I made from twine to the rooster's little neck. Then I'm going to take these letters that I got at Hobby Lobby. They were in the scrapbook section. They're like little chipwood letters, and they're all different like colors and different shapes and designs that are the letters of the alphabet, but they all have like a different font. And I'm going to add those across the bottom where the fence is, and it's going to spell out the word home. So I'm just kind of getting a feel for where I want them. And now I'm going to hot glue them right onto the fence. And I didn't want them to be completely even. I kind of wanted them to be, a little off on the fence. And I just love the way that turned out. Once I had that all in, I ended up adding some Spanish moss inside, and that is it. This project is done. I think it turned out so super cute, and I love that it's not the traditional black and white farmhouse. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.